So, I'm guilty. You see something initially and you're like, nah. And then as time goes on, it's like, yeah. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Daddy Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking.
That's right, we are kick talking about a pair of shoes that I initially liked because of the classic colors, but with the twist, I was like, come on, man, that's not what we wanted, right? We're talking about none other than the Nike Air Jordan 1 Retro High Bred Patent Leather. You see that shiny box. You know what this is, right? Foreshadowing the shininess of the box.
Yeah.
First off, before we get into the shoe, do us a quick favor. If it's your first time here, what should they do, Nigel?
You should scroll down until you see a red box, and in white lettering, it'll say subscribe. Please click that.
Please click that.
You.
It helps our channel. And if you've been here before, thanks for rocking with us and keeping on. So we got our hands on this shoe thanks to my guy at Supreme Sneakers DMV. We are going to talk about this shoe. It's one that just released the end of 2021. It was pushed back a couple of times, but this is the new in-hand look. You've probably seen it already before, but hey, I'm gonna say this. We might be a little late to the party because, again, I wasn't necessarily 100% sure about this shoe when I first saw it.
Oh, goodness. I can see my reflection in the shoe.
Yeah, it's pretty tough though, right?
Yeah, this is tough. I'm looking at myself instead of the shoe right now.
They want to see the shoe, man.
I mean, in the shoe.
In the shoe. Yeah, it's got a nice patent leather all over on this classic colorway.
Wow.
C Squad, got a quick question for you. Y'all been hanging out with us for a good while now. Want to ask your quick opinion. We do a whole bunch of sneaker reviews, things like that. What else in the sneaker universe do you guys want to see from us? What other type of content? Just love to hear your feedback. Let us know down in the comments. Hit us up. Speaking of the Jordan 1 Bred, right?
Yeah.
This is the first colorway that the Air Jordan came out in. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was just a little tyke. I was probably 9 years old in 1984. I'm dating myself, right? You know exactly how old I am. And a buddy of mine in class, I remember 4th grade, this kid came in with a fresh pair. They weren't patent leather, but a fresh pair of Air Jordan 1s, the Bred colorway. And we were all just like, yo, what is that? They were sweet. I mean, the first time seeing them in person, 9 years old, his parents just hooked him up.
Yeah.
And literally at that moment, I fell in love with sneakers because prior to that, I was wearing Converse, Pumas, which still lasted and are still there, but this broke the mold, right?
Yeah.
So seeing this shoe come back this year, but with this twist, was kind of like, why didn't Nike just give us a regular smooth leather Jordan 1 Bred, right?
Right.
I was like, patent leather, man, patent leather cracks up. But what I've seen so far is this actually is pretty durable.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Before I talk more about the shoe, I want to hear from you, bud. Being young, this is not the first shoe you saw come in somebody in class, whatever, when the shoe first came out. What's your initial reaction to this shoe?
I didn't see it the day it dropped, but I know the importance of the shoe. But this is something different. I can't lie. I think it's really cool, honestly. Like, I feel like this is something like you could wear. Like if you're a rapper and you want to like wear something to a runway, you can wear this. It looks really runway, like kind of like.
Yeah, like high fashion.
Right, like Iron Man shoes. They're so shiny. The shininess is really like getting to me. Like it's funny, but I think it's sick, honestly.
Yeah, you like that. All right, and the way they make patent leather, so this is actually just regular smooth leather that they put like an acrylic polyurethane over top of. It's almost like a plastic coating that gets vacuum sealed.
I can feel the plastic.
Yeah, to the thing. I've seen some people where they've actually taken this patent leather coating off, like using some type of chemical solvent. You can rub it away, but then it messes with your colors and I don't know. People get a shoe like this and then want to take away the thing that makes it what it is. Yeah, just to change it up to see what happens.
This is cool though. I love it, and this little thing is cool too.
The hang tag.
Yeah.
I don't know what you do with that. Maybe put it on a chain and wear it around your neck. I don't know.
Hang it up somewhere.
Yeah, but the shoe itself to me is fire. Like I said, the biggest drawback when I initially saw it, I was like, smooth patent leather. That's going to everybody doesn't love creases. Jordan 1s crease.
Who does?
Yeah, some people people love like the Jordan 1. They like to beat them up because they feel like the longer and the older they are,
right. I seen
the
that
more
with,
character
like,
they get.
before too.
Yeah, like you beat them up a little more. They just give it a little more,
right.
I don't know, lived-in look.
Yeah,
that kind of adds to the cachet, so to speak.
Blazers
But,
too.
Blazers, that's a good one. That's a good one. But these, you know, I know like the shattered backboard. I think it's the 2s or 3s. They already come with that patent leather, but it's a crinkled patent leather, so it's already pre-creased, so you can just roll and all good.
Right.
But I've seen some videos too where some people have walked a bunch of miles in these, and they didn't really crease up bad. They just bent a little.
Yeah.
But you know, I think
That's
ultimately,
cool. Did they like change the design or something? Why?
I don't know. I don't know what they did differently.
That's cool though.
But these aren't like, you know, breaking apart and getting super heavy creases in them from people that I've seen.
Right, good.
So we'll see. We'll see over time how this thing fares. You know, if as of this recording, I haven't claimed these for myself yet. This is from my guys again at Supreme Sneakers DMV. The offer's on the table. I'm considering it.
Yeah.
They're my size. Will I pull the trigger? Mommy see behind the camera like another pair. I'm just saying, these are very special, right? Like you won't see another release like this probably for a long time. So this is a special pair. They're so smooth and silky.
Look, he's in love with them.
Absolutely.
You know what he's gonna do.
You know what time it is.
Yeah.
So again, the you know, patent leather overall, the whole shoe. You got the black and red classic color blocking.
Yeah.
They did something different inside the shoe. Instead of like your normal size tag, they put family in here. You know, to add something.
Okay.
I guess you are officially a part of the Air
Fast
Jordan.
and Furious reference.
Yeah, you're part of the Air Jordan family. Uh-oh.
What?
The tag, the laces came off. They come with red laces as well as black.
All right.
Let's see. Not a whole lot more to say. I mean, it's a Jordan 1 we all know and love. This shoe, I think this is going to do what it's going to do. It's a classic to have in the collection. Definitely different than all the other Jordan 1s you own. The colorway itself is timeless. Yeah. The traction on the bottom, I've heard some folks say that this is the greatest traction ever made.
What?
Yeah, it's
For
just
real?
it's a traction. You can still play ball in it on a basketball court.
Why the greatest ever made though?
Probably just because it's been the longest standing, you know, shoe.
Like the bread.
Just the Jordan 1 in general. Yeah, the Jordan 1.
I thought there was something like special about this specific pair of shoes with the traction. I was like, it doesn't look different. What?
No, it's the same shoe, right? Same shoe, same traction pattern.
Yeah.
But supposedly the greatest traction ever made because on a hardwood court, basketball court, you're not slipping and sliding.
True that.
You know, the shoe will stick and when you're making your cuts and drives to the basket, to the hole.
No lie.
So that's about it, man. That's all I got on this shoe. We get some video, some B-rolls you guys can see up close and personal. Thanks for hanging out.
Yeah.
What should they do, Nigel?
You should ring that notifications bell so you can get notified when we drop some new heats. If you want to get burnt, you feel me? So
get that heat.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you soon.
Peace.